Hey DC Squad, today we are going to be showing you guys the NERF guns we spray painted and attached stuff to. So here they are. So the first one is, we call it the Alpha 5000. Pick it up. And so I spray painted half of it gold, and then attached a scope and duct taped a flashlight to it so that we can use it in the dark.
Yeah, we'll test this one out at the end of the video.
Yeah. The next one is the Golden Jolt. In this one, I just taped up the parts he didn't want spray painted, and then spray painted it gold.
Yeah, and I kind of like this part, and I do, because that's all orange, and then there's a little difference right there, and then yeah.
All right, the next ones
we'll
are.
Test all of these guns out at the end of the video.
Yeah. The next ones are bullets.
Golden.
So there is a fully golden bullet. And we're gonna test these in one of our guns. And the other one is half golden and half blue. So we just taped up half of it and then spray painted the other half. All right, the last.
What?
Okay, the last gun is mine, and so I duct taped a flashlight and a little backpack to it, and if we open it, there's a bunch of bullets inside. So that's the bullet holder. All right, and now it's time to test them.
Okay, so the first one we're gonna be doing is this one.
All right. We'll be using one of the golden ones. So shoot it that way.
Locked and loaded.
All right.
I say that was a nice test.
Yeah. That one worked.
Success.
Now let's.
Go get the bullet.
So the next one we will be trying is the Alpha 5000 with the half golden one.
Yep.
And he's gonna be shooting it that way again.
Can I shoot it at the pole barn this time? Because this time I'm gonna use the scope. Let's see. Say success.
Yep.
We'll go get that real quick.
All right, and then the last one is the Golden Jolt.
It's pretty
Hurry up
nice.
before my phone dies.
It is really nice.
This one is probably my favorite one.
Yeah, it got all match and stuff. So let's see.
Success. So all of them were successful. And so if you liked our all of our guns and bullets,
Yeah, we'll probably use these guns and bullets and stuff in NERF
like
videos.
and subscribe and turn on
The
notifications. Bye.
Bye.